Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your IQOO U5X. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I will use the EasyFax. Add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now tap on the green plus and choose source of your document. Choose your favorite one, or you can also select more than one picture. Okay, so if you selected the sorry document, click import, and now you can add this shape to your picture. If you already click accept, choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver, and you can add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you already click the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it and tap on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.